Our beautiful Thanksgiving Day weather is setting us up for rain in the future, in fact, quite quickly in the future. And we'll take a look at that because of this high pressure that has formed, giving us that dry, cool air that we had today. But what's going to happen is it eventually meanders over to the east coast, which is going to allow Gulf moisture to come back into the area and set us up for some heavy rains on Saturday and some very cold temperatures as a cold front interacts with that moisture that we have. Rain's looking to start around 7 a.m. You can see very spotty, isolated showers starting as early as Saturday morning, and then the cold front coming into Acadiana with the rain being pushed out ahead of it. This is where we have the closest chance for flash flood potential. So you want to have your KATC weather app before you get into the overnight hours on Saturday to keep up with that. These are some pretty strong rains, as you can see, maybe even the potential for some severe weather still lingering on by Sunday morning, eventually exiting the area. But we have another round of rain coming in right behind it. This is on Monday, another near 100% chance of rain, a little bit different. This one isn't induced by a cold front. This is tropical moisture, and it's going to be hanging out on the Gulf. So we'll be keeping a very close eye on that because it will bring in more heavy rainfall totals. And as you can see, look at the temperature. This is cold rain because that cold front, all of this rain is chilly. So we have got some cold rain in the future all through next week. And you can see there's just multiple rounds of systems. This is Friday. This is our third rain system that we'll be experiencing. So no snow for us here in Louisiana. You can see some up here in the north with the blues and the pinks. We're just going to have a lot of cold rain that we're going to be dealing with throughout the entirety of next week. And that starts as soon as Saturday. So if you're out Black Friday shopping, enjoy that clear weather while we still have it tomorrow. Now, as far as what do we think the totals look like with all those rain systems, right now estimates are anywhere in the highest areas from 4 to 6 inches. I saw the Euro model even showing some areas in our southern parishes a little above 6 inches over the next 7 days. So lots of rain on the way. We can't pinpoint yet who's going to have the highest totals, so keep that in mind, but do be prepared for the rains that are on the way. Now, taking a little step back, looking at your temperatures for tonight, maybe protect those plants that are outdoors that are more sensitive to those colder temperatures because we're going to be in the mid to upper 30s, very chilly and even a little bit colder with the wind chill that we're going to be expecting tonight with our clear skies. We're going to lose the heat that we had all day, but tomorrow for your shopping, make sure you're bundling up. We get a little bit warmer, but it's still going to be another chilly day ahead of the cold front that's coming in. So something to keep in mind as you are planning getting all those great shopping deals. Your 10-day forecast may be one of the most chaotic I have seen in a while. There are rain chances every single day, and you see it here, and that's why I told you to look out for those systems because it's going to be one after the other, with the main one being Saturday night. We see another strong one on Monday. You have that 100%, and then the secondary one coming in next weekend. We're still going to be working out on the details of that, but you can see we're not getting out of the 50s next week. It's an incredibly chilly week. The lows staying even colder than that, so just be mindful. But for your shopping holiday Friday, just keep in mind to stay bundled up and enjoy the clouds and the sun for now.